Oh man, least common multiple. I'm about to show you the MMA way. What? Yeah, not mixed martial arts. Math Association of America. No, okay, there is no official sponsored way, but this is the way that most books present least common multiple. Okay, over here. Yeah, I'm looking for the least common multiple between 15 and 25. I'm gonna break it down. Oh, all right, stop. It's factor time. This is 3 and 5. Okay, and then I'll break down 25. Okay, this is gonna be 5 and 5. All right, so my least combination is gonna be a combination of the factors of each number. What I wanna do is I wanna take their bases. Here's a 3, okay, which one has more 3s? This one does, it has 1 3, so 1 3 will be in there. There's gonna be a 5, which one has more 5s? The 15 or the 25? I think the 25 has more 5s. How many 5s does it have? It has 2 5s. So the least common multiple is gonna be 3 times 25, which is 75. So the least common multiple between 15 and 25 is 75. Okay, that deserves a box. That deserves a flower. Oh yeah. What am I looking for? What does least common multiple stand for? Or LCM on the streets? I'm looking for the first number that they're both gonna multiply to be. Yeah, so here's a cheap and easy way to do it. Take the big number, 25. Does 15 divide 25? No, double it, 50. Does 15 divide 50? No, triple it. 75. Does 15 divide 75? Sure does. And that's your least common multiple. There's also something called a roster method. Why don't we go ahead? Let's race them. The roster method for finding the least common multiple. Yeah, 15 and 75. Ooh, 25. Yes. We already know what it is, but let's use the roster method. I mean race them. And they're off. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. What's next? There's a 5, 90, 90. Okay, now 25, he's off. That's 25, 50, 75. Oh, we found the first number that they're both gonna multiply to be. It's gonna be 75. That was using the roster method. Yeah, this is breaking it down into its factors, and the cheap and easy is take that one, double it, triple it, yes. Yeah, I'm supposing you probably want to go cheap and easy on this one, huh? So you take the big one. Does 18 divide 36? It does. Yeah, so then, yeah, your least common multiple on that is 36. But why don't we take a look at the official method? I'm gonna break down 36. 36 breaks down into 2 and 18. It breaks down into 2 and 9 and 3 and 3. Bring them on down, bring them on down, bring them on down, bring them on down. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Tee-hee, tee-hee. Oh wait, now we break down 18. Okay, so 18 breaks down into 2 and 9 and 3 and 3. Bring them on down, bring them on down, bring them on down. 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, so my least common multiple is gonna have 2, okay, as a base because it's a factor in one of the numbers. Which one has more 2s? I believe the 36 does. 2 squared. It's also gonna have 3s. Which one has more 3s? They have the same number of 3s. And that number be 2. So then we got 4 times 9, which is 36. So then that's the official way of getting the least common multiple to be 36. Now there are advantages and disadvantages to all of those methods. Like the cheap and easy method on this one, probably not gonna work so much. I'm not sure if I wanna use the roster method either. So I am gonna go the official way on this one. Yeah, 112. Break it down. Oh, that's 2 and, is it 56? I believe so. 56 breaks down into 2 and 27? No, 28. 28.
Great. Let's see, that's a 6, carry a 1. 28 breaks down into 2 and 14. Ooh, there's a 7 in here. 2 and 7, then you bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Yeah. So now, let's break up that 36. 36 breaks up into 2 and 18. It breaks into 2 and 9. It breaks into 3 and 3. Bring it, bring it, bring it, bring it, brought it. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Tee-hee, tee-hee. So we're going to see that our greatest common factor is going to have 2. Which one has more 2's? The 112 or the 36? The 112 has more. It has 4. Sure, it's going to have 3's and it's going to have 2 of them. Why? Because this one had 3's. Okay. And it is also going to have that wonderful 7. Okay. And then just one of them. What does that multiply out to be? Ah, dag. I'm going to take that and multiply it by 9. By 9. That's an 8. Carry a 1. That's a 0. Carry a 1. That's a... Is it really 108? Oh, I don't know. Let me check it. Why am I multiplying it by 9? Because that's the only factor that's missing from here. Let's check. Let's check. 1, 1, 2 times 9. Fine. There's an 8. Carry that 1. 9, 1, 0. Oh. Sick. Flat.